Our first day in Amsterdam was a short one. Our hotel was located in the museum square, so we walked around in the park for a little bit there. After that, we headed out to see what their nightlife was like. Amsterdam is almost known for their coffee shops where it's legal to smoke herb. I didn't personally do that, but other people did. If you do visit Amsterdam, it's a fun thing to try, but I wouldn't try anything you don't usually do. So it's day 2 in Amsterdam, and we're about to go on a boat ride, so that'll be fun. I think the rest of the day we don't have plans, but we're gonna try to see a bunch of museums.
Well, mine is the Rijksmuseum. You would want to take nothing. So not even a park.
So we're on the boat right now, and I'm gonna give you a little tour. It has a nice little kitchen area with a sink and lots of alcohol. Then you come inside and it has a little table, flowers. It's really pretty in here and super nice. We're also getting some food. Ooh, oh my god. Have some yummy oysters. We have more food coming too. Let's see. Some leaning houses. Yeah. I'll come later. No, I'll come later. I'm not scared. After the boat ride, we went to check out the Van Gogh Museum. I would definitely add this to my things to do if you're in Amsterdam. Tracy and I walked right over to the 9 streets, which is really cute. There are these 9 streets, literally, that have a bunch of boutiques, and it's just basically a shopping area. I got some really cute earrings and these 2 nice rings. After that, we went and grabbed brunch at this place called Goody. It's really good. We had a sandwich and a salad, and then we had some glasses of wine. There's also a cute place called Pompadour right across the street. It had a ton of desserts. And it was really nice. There's a lot of places like that, like little bakeries. After that, we headed over to the Heineken Experience, which was a lot of fun. Actually, it was really interesting to learn about the beer and how they make it. What's in beer, it's actually 95% water. I mean, I always thought it was like super unhealthy for you just because of like beer bellies, but I guess it's not so bad.
So, we in the Netherlands, we say proost. Proost. Yeah? On the countdown from 3 to 1, we all say proost. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Proost. Yes, perfect. Take a big sip of your beer now, and you will notice that it will taste even better now, right? This is the best beer you've ever tasted.
Much. After the Heineken Experience, we headed out. I personally came home and took a nap, but everybody else, they went and grabbed some food. I eventually met up with them and had some great pizza at a place called, I think, Piccolino. On our way to the red light district. We can't record there, so I'm recording now. Red light district is super popular here. We actually went to the museum, which was nice. After that, we finally walked through the actual district. We looked in the windows really quickly. It's very interesting to see. You know, you're just not used to seeing all of that on storefront. And finally for the night, we just headed back. We actually took the tram to get back to the hotel. We got on the tram. It was really nice to see the city and just try out public transportation for once, because we've been walking everywhere and we took a taxi like twice. Started off my 4th day in Amsterdam having breakfast. Then I headed out to the Albert Cuyp market. I stopped by this place that was making super waffles, which are delicious and are all I can think about right now. The market was also selling a bunch of other things like fish, spices, fabric, and french fries, which were really good. Finally, I did a little bit of clothes shopping. I just left the Albert Cuyp market and I'm very happy. I went in and I got a Dutch waffle. I also got some fries with mayo on it, which are kind of different here. The mayo did not taste like US mayo. And then I finally went to a little shop and got two things. We are going out to a nice dinner tonight and I got a dress for that. Something else I should mention about Amsterdam is that literally everybody bikes and they bike everywhere. A cab driver told us that the price of a car there is super expensive and they do this to limit pollution. But I was super anxious crossing the streets all the time and was almost hit by a bike twice. After shopping, I took a cab over to the Anne Frank house. This is totally something you should do if you go to Amsterdam, but make sure you get on the wait list early. When I checked out the wait list, there was 1,000 people on it. Luckily, they do sell tickets every morning, but you do have a low chance of getting them. So it's our final day in Amsterdam, and it's kind of raining, which sucks, but we have 5 hours, so we're gonna go see what we can do. I wanted to check off a few more museums, so we went to the Rijksmuseum. Then the MOCO Museum, which held some Yayoi Kusama artwork and Banksy. Finally, the last thing we did was visit Vondelpark. We found this little doggy. Hi, he's so cute. Hi, doggy. Hi. Come with us, come on with us. We want you. So our trip is over and I'm waiting by the elevator for Justin to get here. But I have my backpack and they took everything. So we're just gonna head out and we're taking a plane over to Ireland. Goodbye, Amsterdam. You were awesome. We're definitely gonna come back.